China's newest synthetic AI humans are no longer attempting to look like mechanical robots. They are explicitly engineered with living features. Human societal bonds rely on realistic warm skin, facial expressions, deep multi-ear memory, and physical presence. From DroidUp Moya to UBTECH UWORLD U1, these bionic androids are actively taking over hospital reception desks, border customs checkpoints, and even replicating the faces and voices of lost loved ones. The synthetic AI human disruption in China. Chinese robotics developers have officially breached a critical technological threshold. Instead of building sterile industrial machines designed solely for factory-heavy lifting, startups and tech conglomerates across Shanghai and Shenzhen are constructing hyper-realistic synthetic humans. These ultra-bionic entities feature temperature-regulated silicone skin maintaining 19° Fahrenheit to 97 Fahrenheit heat equivalent, eye tracking cameras, emotional facial actuators, and cross-temporal agent memory operating systems. They do not merely process voice commands. They actively track eye engagement, analyze subtle facial twitches, and adjust non-verbal cues in real time. The economic displacement began behind digital screens via AI live streaming hosts operating 24/7 across Chinese commerce platforms. These synthetic presenters generated millions in sales at a tiny fraction of human broadcast costs, having successfully conquered the digital screen. Developers immediately translated this synthetic architecture into physical humanoid bodies. Shanghai-based startup DroidUp recently unveiled Moya, a 5.5-foot ultra-bionic humanoid running on a biomimetic cervical spine structure. Moya's internal structure incorporates artificial muscle padding and chest-like scaffolding mimicking human torso mechanics and walking gait. When interacting with Moya, users touch warm silicone skin rather than cold metallic plastics. The robot narrows its eyes, nods empathetically, and adjusts its posture dynamically to create a sense of organic presence. Priced for commercial deployment in healthcare facilities, banks, transit hubs, and elder care environments, Moya represents a fundamental pivot towards social robotics. Concurrently, UBTECH hosted its global launch event in Shenzhen, introducing the UWORLD U1 series, the world's first mass-produced ultra-bionic companion humanoid, operating with 88 degrees of freedom and an emotion-aware model capable of recognizing over 20 fine-grained emotional states. The U1 is designed for home companionship, elder support, and emotional care. Crucially, UBTECH introduced 3D facial reconstruction and voice print identity replication features capable of recreating designed individuals while marketing for psychological comfort and elder care. This capability blurs the boundaries between emotional support and synthetic human replacement. Beyond domestic environments, Chinese humanoid units like UBTECH Walker S2 are actively managing border checkpoints along the Feng-Chenggang customs border near Vietnam. These humanoids inspect freight, manifest data, manage passenger give real-time multilingual instructions and monitor crowd density alongside border officers. Cockpit with Alibaba Coin Robot Intelligence Suite enabling multi-step spatial navigation and physical manipulation. China is assembling both the cognitive brains and hardware bodies of the synthetic workforce. As these synthetic humans expand from commercial lobbies into homes and public infrastructure, society stands at the precipice of a profound human-machine symbiosis. A synthetic AI human seamlessly integrate into our workplaces, public borders, and personal lives. The fundamental questions remain: will humanity accept artificial entities as genuine substitutes for human relationship and labor? What happens when the line between human and machine completely vanishes? The definitive breakdown will be unraveled in our upcoming documentary. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Right now, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and deploy this video across your entire network. Join the frontier of AI revolution.